Hello and welcome to my tutorial. For Halloween and April Fool's Day, we can all have fun with pranks and scary jokes. Therefore, today I will teach you how to use an Harmless program that might scare your friends. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to scare your friends by launching on their PC a program that will show a cascade of numbers on their screen that will make them believe that the PC is gone for good. My name is Nicola Scanni. With a degree in Multimedia and a passion for technology, I have a tendency to pass along my knowledge in a very simple way. There are many variations of this joke, and if you have a little knowledge or programming skills, you may also be able to make it even more personal. Open a Notepad or any text editor and copy the programming lines you find in my description. Now, save this text file on your desktop with a name of your choice. After, right-click on it and rename it, changing only the extension from txt to bat. Save it on a USB. Once at your friend's house, insert the USB in his or her PC. Click twice on the file to launch the program. Make sure it's on full screen and press Enter. Now, turn around and show your scary face to your friends, maybe screaming to confuse them. At the end, to exit, just click on the X on your top right-hand side. This is it for today. If you liked my tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This way, every first weekend of the month, you will find a new video here on my YouTube channel. If you have a question, please leave a message. I will answer as soon as possible. Thank you for listening and enjoy your favorite funny joke. Ciao!